Now, this is my project scenario in C++ and IT. My project scenario title is Creating a 3 versus 3 Basketball Tournament Lineup Using Binary Search Tree and Exception Handling by Try, Catch, Throw in C++. Uh, this there's in about this scenario is there is a student named John, and he's a information technology student that developed a C++ program to help organize a 3 versus 3 basketball tournament. The program uses a binary search tree or BST to store and sort team and in any order by their team names. Each team must have exactly 3 players with unique and non-empty names, and each team name must be unique. And to ensure the data is correct, John added exemption handling, and para the program show clears error message if a team has fewer than 3 players. A player name is empty or repeated, or if a team name already exists, it also handle unexpected error safely, or hindi siya magra-run pag may mga may mga walang pangalan at ulit-ulit lang. Yeah. Next naman is, when team are added, the program uses an order traversal of the BST to display them in any order. This make it easy for the sport manager to view and para ma-manage yung mga team. And the project not only help to organize the tournament efficiently, but also gave John the practical experience for C++ programming with tree and exemption handling. Now, let's go to the code. Now, this is my code. Let's try to run it. Let's put the name. Let's put team 2. Put the name Sugar in it. Sugar. Let's put John. John and Robert. Then, next naman, Salt team. Spot. Carry. Put name. Ito. And intro. Yun. Now, let's try naman yung mga error. Error. Put 2 team. Put the sugar natin. Mag-verify ng mga pangalan dito. Okay. Subukan natin kung lalabas to. Sugar lagay natin. Kahit sino yung pangalan. So, yun, lumabas. Next naman, try naman natin palabasin yung error player name cannot be empty. Dito na rin natin sa lalabas. Something, no. So, kasi sila. Yan, lumabas ulit. Ito naman palabasin natin. Error duplicate player name in the same team are not allowed. Hindi natin yung solve. Hindi natin sila carry. Carry. Sulat natin ng dalawa si Gary. Then we go. Yun, lumabas din yung error ng duplicate player name in the same team are not allowed. Now, let's try the last one error na invalid team. A team must have at least one entry. So, natin na. Tapusin muna natin itong code na ito. So, dito. Let's try naman. Ang last error. Yan. Yun. Lumabas na din. And then, that's it.